16-inch artificial grass sweeper. And yes, you guys, it's electrical. 15 amps of power, and then you have 5 working adjustable heights. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's a nice size bag. Take all of this out. Instructions. Boom. All right, you guys, so here you go. You have your adjustments. You could go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the way this works is opposite. When you're on 0, it goes high. When you go 1, 2, it goes down lower. All right, so that's opposite of everything else. Everything else, when you go to the higher number, then, you know, it goes up. Check it out. There goes the brushes right here. Hard brush. So this one right here has teeth. Here you have line 1, 2, 3. And then you have your arrow right there. And you could basically put it on your adjustment that you want to put it on. Okay. Now, so this one is basically estimating. All right, too close. All right, there we go. There's a little peg right there. All right. You see this empty slot? Right here, there's a cutout slot for you to put it right through that peg. Turn it around and make sure you go all the way down. And then this should go right on through. Just like that. All right. Good enough. So you see how it's squared right there? It has the little square right there on the screw. So what you do is you put it through and make sure it goes through that square. So make sure you through the square. So I'm going to put this round part on here and it fits right on the pole. I'm going to leave the flat part on this side. Now, next. Oh, I forgot. You guys, I forgot to put this back. All right. Next. All right, you guys. Now we in the last step. Same situation. That one through there. This one through here. Put that in there. And put that one through there. Again, get your washer. Put the round part onto the pipe. Screw it on. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It expands and clips. All right. And you can twist it if need be. You could do the same thing with this side. You could put one on that side, one on the other side. If you want, you could leave your hex back on here. So when you put these washers on, make sure that you're flush onto the pole. Not like this, okay? Like this, you'll have a gap. Make sure you like this. Ours was kind of already together. All I got to do is put the bottom part on, stretch it out, latch it on, and they already latched on the top part. Let's take this bottom, latch it on, and then we're going to do the same with the sides. It has a loop on this side. Stretch it, snap it down. It don't snap, but y'all know what I mean. It holds in place. Takes some pulling, but we got it. Lift up, put it on its latches, and then it stays right on the bottom, nice and easy. And then you can start vacuuming. To start it, just in case you need to know, you have your button right here. Once you press your button down, you pull down the latch. All right, you have to hold this button down. Hold the button in, press down. You guys, this thing is powerful. I'm gonna do that again. So when I remulch my lawn, you see I got some mulch right here. That can damage your blades of your lawnmower. So I got it on the lowest that it can be. Very nice, right? It's gone. Again, mulch. it's good.
So with this Allen wrench, you can take the brush off from the bottom. Use your Allen wrench, and right here, there you go. So you take that off, and then you can take the brush off. And that will be it.
Any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.